Am I the only one that didn't know why we get hiccups? Stick around, I'll tell you why and how to stop them fast. Turns out it's not ghosts or bad curry, it's your nerves. Quick science. The diaphragm spasms, the vocal cords snap shut, and voila, hiccup. Eating too fast, gulping air, spicy food, sudden temperature changes, or even stress. Most hiccups are harmless and go away on their own, but annoying they are. Fix time. Try holding your breath for 10-20 seconds. Sip cold water slowly, or swallow a teaspoon of sugar. For stubborn bouts, breathing into a paper bag can help. Don't suffocate yourself, okay? That's it. Diaphragm calmed. Life continues.